In Medan, Indonesia, residents moved their belongings to higher shelves because the floodwaters still haven't receded. Many try to salvage their water-damaged furniture while sighing over the hardship nature has brought them.
Mau perasaan apa, mau campur sedih, mau apa mau dibilang. Udah berserah diri aja, pasrah aja udah. Ikhlas. Yang penting ikhlas aja lah. Karena apa mau kami perbuat lagi? Mengadu sama siapa, kok nggak buat sama yang di atas.
Residents are heartbroken. They scrub dishes that had been soaked in muddy water while the city struggles with widespread power and water outages. They are also worried about potential disease outbreaks. To protect the community's health, Tzu Chi volunteers rushed to the front lines with bread, bottled water, and other supplies, hoping to ensure residents would not fall ill due to contaminated food.
Perasaan saya bahagia bisa membantu mereka yang terdampak banjir, ya kan. Walaupun sederhana, semoga bermanfaat bagi mereka.
In Medan, the flooding left the entire first floor of many homes submerged. Although the water has mostly receded, the village remains in a state of devastation.
Saya ingin menyampaikan ucapan ribuan terima kasih kepada Yayasan Buddha Suci yang pada hari ini.
The relief items have helped ease the community's despair, yet local officials noted that the affected areas are still short on medical resources. They hope more people will step in to help speed up the rebuilding process. ITV reports.